Staying safe when using the internet is important for the whole family, but you shouldn't have to become a network administrator or a computer technician to make sure you're not in danger. Thankfully, Cisco has a better way to help ensure your whole home network is protected. Powered by Trend Micro, Home Network Defender is a new addition to the security features found on the lineup of Linksys by Cisco wireless and routers. This new software package works together with your wireless and router and is designed to block dangerous threats before they even have a chance to get to your computer. To start, simply place the installation disk into your PC's disk drive and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, you can launch the setup by double-clicking on the icon found on your desktop. This will show you all of the devices that are connected to your home network. Items with a green line are currently connected or online and using the internet. A dotted green line shows that the device is connected wirelessly, like a laptop or mobile device. All of these devices, whether wired or wireless, can be protected from the various threats found on the internet. Let's take a look at how that works. From the main screen, you can configure security levels for the network as a whole or for individual computers simply by clicking on the tab beside the item you want to configure and choosing Configure Security. These settings are protected with the username and password, so the settings can't be changed by your kids or by guests on your network. First, you can configure a safe level of web surfing for your entire network or for a single computer. By choosing Maximum, your router will only let you go to sites that have a good online reputation. This means sites that are known to contain spyware, adware, or phishing scams would be blocked. Choosing Minimum will only stop you from going to sites with a poor online reputation. Choosing Medium will give most users a great balance between safety and accessibility. These settings apply to your entire home network. Even when new devices are added afterwards, those devices will still be protected. Your router acts as a first line of defense from hidden online threats. Think of this protection as an online security blanket for your entire home. When you go to a site that's not considered safe enough for your current web surfing settings, an alert will pop up explaining that the page has been blocked and why. If you have children or teenagers on your network, the router can also be configured to filter incoming content using Parental Controls. You can set the restriction on your child's computer alone or across the entire network. Either way, the restrictions can be put in place without having to install additional software on those computers. You can adjust the slider for the appropriate age group, and it will automatically create a list of content that will be considered inappropriate for children of that age. You can also choose your own custom settings. Create a name for your new rule, such as Grounded. Next, choose the days and times the settings will be enforced. By choosing the defaults, the computer will be allowed to access the internet at any time until you change the restrictions. Then, choose the types of content you want to restrict, such as blogs, social networking, or adult-oriented sites. You can restrict by categories of content, or by selecting Click here for more options, you can block certain websites or keywords altogether. If anyone on your network tries to access a site that contains content you're not comfortable with, they will receive an alert page noting that the page has been blocked. As the parent, you can temporarily override a blocked page by clicking on the Override link. Enter your email address and password used for configuring your security settings for the router, and set the slider for the length of time you'd like to override the parental control settings. Home Network Defender will also keep track of attempts to access inappropriate content. You can see an activity report 24/7 by going to your Home Network Defender control panel and selecting View Report, or accessing the reports through any browser, even outside the home. You can also have alerts sent directly to your email. Because inappropriate content is blocked by the router, it doesn't matter what device you're using in the home, whether it's a computer, a portable media device, or a gaming console. If a child is using that device, inappropriate content and unsafe websites can be blocked. Home Network Defender also includes 4 copies of Trend Micro Antivirus, allowing an extra layer of protection from threats. That protection keeps you safe even if you take your laptop outside your home, such as to a coffee shop or a friend's home. With this complete combination of hardware and software, Cisco is making it easier than ever for you to ensure your whole family stays safe while going online.